Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone. As we wrap up an amazing first year and our first 1,000 subscribers to this channel, I thought it would be fun to count down the most watched and the most funnest clips of over 100 uploads to date. I really hope you enjoy this video as much as I have enjoyed making it over the past 12 months. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's get right into the recap with our first clip. All right, 2 packs to go. I gotta be honest with you guys. I didn't expect all these inserts. Got a photo-driven Trevor Zegras. Holy crap! Look how off-centered this piece of shit is.
Holy Jesus! What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that private pile?
Sir, jelly donuts, sir!
Wow. Red Surge Krill Kaprizov. Holy Lord. So far, I'm not blown away, but we did get, oh my.
Oh my.
That is pretty sick. So that looks to be red. Is that the red or is that the purple? Okay, just checked the checklist. This is red. Kind of looks purple to me though. So that is pretty awesome. Like that one a lot. All right, pack number 2 here. Looks like we got Kachekov again. I guess it's not going to be a deep, a really deep checklist. When it cuts, Dr. Britt Bacon, no idea who that is. Matt Boldy, now there's an awesome card. I like that one. Top shelf rookie Matt Boldy. And Kachekov again. Pack number 3. So is there a wrestler? Oh, crap. Okay, well, we got the Connor McDavid. That's a cool looking card. I like that one a lot. Moxley again. Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. And look what we got right beside it. That's kind of weird, huh? I was not expecting that. I had no idea there was autos in it. There's a sticker auto, obviously, but 95 out of 100. I like tangible things. I like things that I can hold in my hand right now. This, while the prospect of it should excite me, it really kind of doesn't. I don't know. A lot of things can happen between now and the time I get that card. I see John Carlson. I see UC Saros. That is a thick boy. It's a thick boy.
It's good and thick. It's
We got Charlie McAvoy. We've got Marc-Andre Fleury. 276 to 299. That's going to be another copper, I believe. So that goes in the happy pile. And what do we have here? We have a UC Saros. It's going to be, I think, a patch. Double patch UC Saros. Now that is a badass card for a badass goalie. Look at that. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to have self-control.
don't do it.
Just quick, okay. We've got a red insert. Clayton Keller, Luke Kunin, Brock Besser, Brock Nelson, Edmonton Oilers retro checklist, and we've got an upside down Mikey Anderson. Now these red ones, not numbered. The f is that though? Guys, never seen it ever. It looks like somebody was on this with a Sharpie. You saw me pull it out of the pack, right? All right, guys, I wanted to jump in here real quick and share with you that shortly after recording this, prior to doing any editing or whatever, I was really curious what was going on with this card. To me, it just looked like somebody had made just like stick 3 chicken scratches on the back. So I took to social media and I asked our community on Instagram what was going on here. And turns out this is a 1-of-1 card. And I totally didn't see it until after someone mentioned that mark on the back is a 1/1. To me, just looked like somebody had scribbled on it or something, but after somebody had mentioned it on Instagram, and shout out to everyone who chimed in, thanks so much. But after somebody said something about it, I was like, oh yeah, I totally see it now. So that's what this is all about. Obviously, this is a big hit. Hard to get these 1-of-1s. I guess Upper Deck just recently started marking these. So, yeah, there you go. It's a 1-of-1. Cool beans. And thanks to the community for helping out and curing me of my ignorance in this particular situation. All right, we got a thick boy here. It's thick. It's thick.
Thick. Thick, thick.
Let's go. I'm going to cheat a little bit. All right, so we've already seen the rat. Here's Quinn Hughes. Rookie Premier, Philip Hallander. 357 out of 999. And then there's Marshy. And our big, thick card is Dominic. Whoa! Guys.
I think I just peed a little.
Holy sh! That is a badass 10 out of 15 Dominic Hasek. Holy sh, guys. So here lately, I have been just getting my ass kicked when it comes to autographs. And this is pretty badass. Next pick. Boy, that sure does look like a PMG to me. Why don't we hold off on this pack? Hate to do that to you guys, but we're going to hold off on this one. It's going to be my first PMG. I've never gotten one before. Pretty excited. All right, last pack down the left-hand side. Hang on a second.
What the f
fuck is going on?
Is it... This has got to be... These have just got to be different inserts then, right? You know what? We're going to do this one. Okay, so we got Yanni Gord, Troy Terry. Nice. Sweet Matt Boldy rookie there. Jason Robertson with the stars. Let's pull our base off the back. Boone Jenner. And what do we got here? That is a PMG. Is it possible to get 2 PMGs in one box? All right, well, let's... It can't be possible. One of these is just a different insert. It's got to be. So who do we have? Seth Jones, PMG. Wow, it's my first PMG. I've never been able to get one. I've opened a lot of Skybox. So 82 out of 100. All right, so look, there's no way that's going to be a PMG 2, right? You get 2 in one box, it's impossible. Chris Letang. There's Wi-Fi. And Nikita Kucherov. Guys, no way. What the f is going on here? Whoa! Are you shitting me? I didn't know this was possible to get 2 PMGs out of the same box. So here's the deal. I bought 2 boxes. The next one's going to be a crapper. We got 67 out of 100. Sidney Crosby PMG. I can't believe it. All right, so hey, we're off to a pretty good start here. That's a hot numbers. Damn, 3 packs in a row.
This is crazy.
There's Letang. Yanni Gord, let's go to the backside here. James Van Riemsdyk. Jordan Harris with the rookie. Mikko Rantanen here. Nick Backstrom. And, all right, Yanni, what are you hiding in the background for us? What are you hiding? Wow, I really don't know what that is. Who is it? 3, 2, 1, boom! Boom! Whoa! Damn, guys, we're kicking ass today with the hitbox. It's living up to its name, baby. Damn! Oh my God. Hot number. So, if you're not familiar with this card, it's basically a case hit. Basically a case hit. Very difficult to get one of these. All right, we're down to the last pack. Last one, best one. If we don't get our auto out of this one, we're 3 boxes without an auto, and that's actually against the odds. So, did we get another one of those hardwares? No. What do we have? Oh, I think we do have an auto here. Let's see. Jared McCann, Mark Scheifele, Braden Tracy for the rookie. We got Huberdeau. Let's go to the back. Try not to spill the beans here. Taylor Hall, Phil Kessel. All right, what do we got here? This is a gold card. 37. It's a red helmet. Andrei Svechnikov autograph on a gold card. That is, guys, that is oh! Oh!
Holy shit! Holy shit! Fuck!
I didn't know. What a dumbass. Holy shit. 1 of 1 stars, Andrei Svechnikov auto. Wow. See, good things happen to you when you talk nice. Last pack. I don't want to jinx myself, but this pack feels different. It could be my mind playing tricks on me. That has happened before. Just be forewarned. This pack does feel different. We have something. We have something pretty cool. We have something very cool, actually. Alexander, I'm trying not to spill the beans. There's Ryan Reeves. There is a Patrick Kane season highlights. How am I going to do this? We got to get this tall boy out of here without... So there's a John Carlson tall boy. Yeah, this thing is so slippery, it's going all over the place. Let's get these in front. So we had a Kyle Clifford, Chris Drager, Ryan McDonough, and we've got our Cam Fowler Ducks Retro. And this is a glossy, I think this is, so I think what we have here is it's part of the O-Pee-Chee Platinum series. This is a very, very glossy card. I was having a hard time keeping it together. So it's a rookie. We know it's a rookie. That is a spectacular pull. Wow. I'm super happy about that. That is a Seismic Gold preview from the O-Pee-Chee Platinum series. I bet there's no comps on this. This is a spectacular card. To pull this out of, O-Pee-Chee, out of a $59 box. Look, this could be a $2 card, but it's awesome. Okay, I don't care. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you have enjoyed this little recap of our most watched and most fun clips from the past year. And what a first year it's been. We've hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and we made a ton of friends along the way. I cannot thank you guys enough for all the likes, all the shares, and all the subs over the past year. It truly means the world to me. From my family to your family, have a very Merry Christmas and an amazing New Year.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.